Hey, what's up my YouTube family? I hope you all are fine. I've come up with another new video. In this video, I will give you 4 tips that will help you to manage your diabetes. And also I will show you how exactly you can monitor your diabetes at home with the help of a glucometer. So let's straight jump into the video. According to World Health Organization, about 422 million people worldwide have diabetes, and 1.6 million deaths are directly attributed to diabetes each year. Your lifestyle, daily routine, and eating habits affects your blood sugar level. Now, keeping your blood sugar level within the range recommended by your doctor can be challenging. Now, if you follow these 4 tips, you can easily manage your diabetes. Food is a key factor, and healthy eating plays a major role managing your diabetes. Carbohydrates often play the biggest impact on your blood sugar levels. You need to monitor the food portion sizes using measuring cups, and it's important you to know the amount of carbohydrates in your food, so you get the proper insulin dose. And always stick to your diabetic meal plan. Now I will tell you the food items which is recommended for a diabetic patient. Green leafy vegetables, turmeric, broccoli, extra virgin olive oil, flax seeds, strawberries, cinnamon, fatty fish like salmon and sardines. These are great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which is very good for a diabetic patient and for regulation of your blood sugar. Now I will mention the food items to avoid if you're diabetic. Dried fruit, flavored coffee drinks, sweetened breakfast cereals, honey and maple syrup, sugar-sweetened beverages, French fries, fruit juice, trans fat, white bread, rice and pasta, and sweet yogurt. Tip number 2. Always monitor your blood sugar. Tip number 3, stress management. Stress causes a rise in your blood sugar level, so you need to learn relaxation techniques. You can perform yoga, meditation, and also remember that sound sleep is also important. Tip number 4 is exercise. Exercise is paramount for your diabetic management plan. You can spend at least half an hour daily for physical activity. You can also consult with a fitness trainer who will give you a workout schedule. When you work out, your body uses glucose or sugar for energy. Also remember that regular physical activity helps your body to use insulin more efficiently. So these factors work together to lower your blood sugar level or improves your blood sugar. And always remember that the more strenuous your workout, the longer the effect lasts. Hence, give exercise of utmost importance. Healthy eating habit can change your lifestyle, with a regular physical activity will change your health status. And now I will show you exactly how you can check your blood sugar level, or you can monitor your blood sugar level with the help of a glucometer. So let's check it out. So friends, do exercise daily and be happy and stay healthy. Do like, comment and share, and do subscribe if you like my channel. Very soon see you in my next video. Thank you. Till then, take care. Goodbye.